tips to keep motorcycling easy. If you are just starting out, maybe you started riding a motorcycle last year, maybe you got your learner's permit, maybe you just finished taking the MSF class, which I do highly recommend. Sometimes, for some people, motorcycling can become overwhelming. Learning how to ride can be frustrating sometimes for some people. So here are 5 tips to keep motorcycling easy. Tip number 3 is don't try too hard. This is just like anything else in life. If you study and study and study, and practice and practice and practice, and it doesn't matter what sport it is, if it's motorcycling, if it's golf, if it's baseball, if you're trying to hit it out of the park every time, you're typically going to get the exact opposite of what you're going for, right? You're not going to get what you want because you are trying way too hard. You're focusing on a goal that just might be unattainable. I mean, yes, practice, but don't practice to the point that you're trying to achieve perfection, because it just does not work like that. Practice, develop the skill, and then let it happen. As they said at Moneyball,
Billy, we got 38 home runs and 120 RBIs.
Guys, we're still trying to replace Giambi. I told you we can't do it. We can't do it. Giambi's on-base percentage was .477. Damon's on base, 324. And Almeida's was 291. Add that up and you get
1092.
divided by 3.
It's 364.
That's what we're looking for.
do I care how you get on base? No. The fact that you get on base is what counts. So don't try and hit a homer out of the park